Today, we are going to be showing you how to remove and protect against green growth on a patio using a step-by-step process that is really easy to follow. All you'll need is Everbuild 405 Path Patio seal, a long pile roller and tray, gloves, a face mask, and some protective goggles. Everbuild 405 Path and Patio Seal is the ultimate solvent-free coating used to seal and protect paths and patios, natural stone, concrete, and block paving. It seals and protects against the effects of sunlight, water, oil, petrol, and even green growth. Prior to sealing, we recommend cleaning your patio to protect from any green growth, algae, and mold. We recommend watching our how to remove and protect green growth on a patio tutorial. When using Everbuild 405 Path and Patio Seal, ensure you are wearing suitable protective equipment. Stir well before use. It may be applied to damp but not wet surfaces. Apply using a long pile roller and tray or a low pressure spray. Ensure an even and thorough coverage, especially on textured finishes, where ponding of the material must be avoided. Apply in 2 coats, allowing no more than 2 hours between coats. An extra coat may be required if a semi-gloss finish is required. Drying time will be 4 hours from the last coat at 20 degrees Celsius. This will be extended at lower temperatures, but do not apply below 5 degrees. We do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.